All right, quick little video. As you can tell, these are some little flush cut pliers. They're not very expensive. I've got these at the electronics store where I go to, and I think I paid like 12 bucks. And they cut zip ties and wires and whatnot, but what I like is they cut the zip ties flush and they won't tear you up. I know flush cut pliers are available from all brands, Snap-on on down. If you've ever been cut by a zip tie, you know what I'm talking about. Okay. It's one of those tools that, is just, I use it a lot, and I thought I'd make a quick video. We don't have any flush cut pliers. I highly recommend them. You don't have to spend big bucks to get them. You can even find them on Amazon, I think for as little as $9, I think, maybe. Anyway, like I said, I bought these at the electrical supply store. I don't mind helping the local guys, because when they're local, you can walk in, get what you need, and walk out, versus having to wait a day or two. Makes a big difference. Thanks for watching.